Oh, that dreaded accompanying word. Okay, in the given diagram, I'll say secant AB. So this secant touches the circle at B and D. Intersects the circle at D. Great. AC intersects the circle here at C and E. Okay. They tell, and they're both secants because they both touch the circle once and a secant time. They say if AE, whoa, this little segment here turns out to be 14, and then they tell me the whole secant, right, from A to C. Now I want to be really good. I want to make sure my diagram is clear. This is 24. And then they also say, you see that other secant? See how it goes from A to B, right? A to B? That length is 16. They want me, and I'll do this in black, they want me to find out this length, find the length of AD. Well, that's the thing I'm looking for, right? So I'm going to call it X. Now, when I have secants touching the same circle, coming from the same point, I know there's a relationship formed. It's the whole secant, right? The whole secant times its outside, times its outside, right? That must equal the other whole secant times its outside times its outside. Right? That's the relationship formed when you have two secants, right? And it's talking about their lengths. So now that we have a great diagram, our diagram's great, let's substitute. My whole secant is 24. Its outside portion is that 14. So it'll be times 14. That must equal the other whole secant, 16, times its exterior portion, its outside portion, X. Alright, well, let's do the math. Okay, let me reset this calculator. And we're going to be doing the product of 24 and 14, the whole and the outside. So 24 times 14, that gives me 336, and 16 times x is 16x. Solving for x, I'll divide both sides by 16. So consult my calculator, I'll take my answer and divide by 16. It turns out x equals 21. 21. Now, once you have that, put it back into your diagram, right? This is 21. Now, oh, okay, they want us to know the length of AD. Yeah, that's 21. So AD equals 21. Always make sure they're not asking for something else. Like, make sure they're not asking for DB. DB